virtual reality out. Roof inspection. Whoa. I'm standing on the roof.
What's it like? Tell me about your experience inside
Well,
those goggles.
I got Anthony Del Medico standing in front of me, looking at some missing shingles on a roof. Pointing out some damage on a turbine. Wow, this is crazy. It's like I'm up here with him.
It feels pretty realistic.
It's spooky realistic.
Yeah. Awesome.
Yeah.
Do you think this is a good way to kind of level up and get a different kind of education?
I would love to put my new guys that have never actually stepped foot on a roof in this prior to even sending them out there. Do a little door knocking. This is awesome.
So does it feel like you're like in, like the Avatar PlayStation, or is it more like it's totally real life?
I literally feel I'm standing on the porch waiting for Anthony to knock on the door. And it feels like I'm standing right next to him.
That's awesome.
It's spooky. Wow, that was awesome.
Awesome. I'm so glad you loved it.
Yeah, it's cool. I can't wait to get my team started on this.
Dude, that was amazing.
You're right there. You're in there. He's like this dude standing in front of me with the cameras.
With this, it definitely makes it fun and gets people excited to do what they want to do.
Nice.
This is just a good investment.
Super cool. It's a game changer. I think roofing contractors all over the country could benefit from the virtual reality experience. I loved it.